This video is for those of you who cannot open the colligative properties simulation. It's on Study Place. We're going to pick water as our solvent, which is already listed, and we want to pick sodium chloride as our solute. We have to change the mass scale down to 10, which is all the way over, and we want hot bath, so it's on hot already. And then we click start and let her go. You need to record the final temperature. While you're waiting, you can write what is the normal boiling point of water. In other words, at standard pressure, what would water normally boil at? What happened to the boiling point of water when salt was added? And there's your final temperature. Hit the reset button and we'll keep all the settings the same here, except this time we're going to click it to cold and let her run. We want a final temperature, so you'll wait for that. What is the normal freezing point of water? In other words, at 1 atmosphere or standard pressure, 101 kilopascal. What is the normal freezing point of water? What happened to the freezing point of water when salt was added? It looks like it's now stable. There's your value. Notice the sign. It's not positive anymore. It's negative. Hit reset. This time we're going to use sucrose as the solute. We still want to use 10 grams of sugar, so that's all set for us. We want a hot bath again. So I'm going to put it in the hot bath and click start. Do your questions again. We're waiting for the final temperature. What is the normal boiling point of water? Now you know what that means. That means standard pressure, 1 atmosphere, 101 kilopascal, 760 millimeters of mercury. Eventually, what happened to the boiling point of water? That's what we're going to be looking for. Wait for it to become stable. Pretty close now. It might vary a little bit. Reset. Now it says to use the cold bath. Again, we have sucrose dissolved in water, 10 grams, and we hit start. You need to answer those same questions. What is our final temperature? What is the normal freezing point of water at standard pressure? And what happens to the freezing point? This is all about boiling point elevation, so hopefully you're finding that the boiling point is going up when you add a solute. The freezing point is going down when you add a solvent. We compared salt with sugar. You can see there was quite a difference. We're going to continue with that. Temperature's about there. That looks good. So we're resetting, and this time we're going to choose calcium dichloride, which is just calcium chloride, in water. We've been pretty consistent using 10 grams across the board. We want the hot bath first again, hot bath, and let's see what it does. We'll let the temperature equilibrate. Answer your questions here. We're looking for a final temperature of the calcium chloride salt solution. What is the normal boiling point of water at standard pressure? What happens to the boiling point? Right about there. Okay, let's reset it and use the same thing with the cold bath. Questions 29 through 31 to answer. What is the final temperature when we added calcium chloride to water in a cold bath? What's the normal freezing point of water? You want to compare this to sugar. There's a big difference. I'm not going to give away these answers. And that looks good. We're all set. You need to go through and complete the rest of the simulation, which is just compiling your results all into a table, answering the questions, and then you're all done.